All right, so everybody knows again that this Sunday is Father's Day. And I got a little surprise this morning. We have a special dad online with us. Good morning, sir.
Good morning, yeah.
How are you, sir?
I'm pretty good, my friend.
Um, I think you have someone here who wants to say something to you, sir. You think I'm me alone in the camp full on TV? Morning, Mr. Clarke.
Good morning, yeah.
I think she knows you by now, sir. So, hold on, I never get hold of paper when she did that for me. So, wait. Sim, what do you want to say to your father this morning? There you go. She start ball quick as she start talking. Here.
When did you do
Well,
that?
before Simone talk level,
Yes, sir.
you have my picture on television, so it's a free ad. You got to pay me to advertise on
So you sound just like your daughter. It's the same thing she would say. What you want to say to your dad?
Oh gosh.
Yeah, the show
I
went
talk to
done
him.
by
Oh,
8:30.
sorry. Gosh, my dad knows. He knows. Um,
Oh, Simone is my best friend.
yeah. I love
Simone
you,
knows she's
Pop.
my best friend. I love you too, my beloved daughter.
Um, he has been a rock. A rock. For me, him and mom, but um, and as we approach a special day, just in case you ever take it for granted, Dad, how much I appreciate and love you and what you have done and who you have been, especially in these last couple of years. I have no words to tell you. So thank you, and I love you, and I will buy you a nice present for Father's Day.
Two away.
I
Very
love you too,
much.
Simpson. I love you too. You know that.
I know that, Papa. I know
You're
that.
you're 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 our best friend, and we are here all because of you as well. So I mean, we're not leaving you 1 inch.
Yeah, I know. I know.
Thank
Thank
you,
you,
sir.
Daddy.
Thank you
I
very much,
love
sir.
you.
Like for Father's Day, maybe you could give me $1 million, please, thanks.
We'll talk about that
And
off the
could,
air.
and could you give me a ring to take?
No, you cannot take Irene. We've had that discussion. Goodbye, Dad. Go to work. You're late.
She's just like you, sir. Take care, son. Happy Father's Day when it
Love you,
comes, sir.
Papa.
I tell you what, take back the million and give me the granddaughter.
Goodbye, Dad.
Thanks
I love you,
again.
my daughter.
Bye, Daddy. Love you
Thanks
too.
again, sir.
Thank you.
Ah,
When I just bring the whole toilet paper come and make you. We're
sure,
going to take a
sure.
break, and when we come back, we have rollout. Soon come.
You are a wicked.
You're such a baby.
When did you do that?
Fun.